Welcome to the best picks. The best interior brushes is probably one of the most overlooked tools in car detailing, but trust me, they're essential. These brushes are designed to get into those tight spaces, vents, and crevices that a regular cloth or vacuum just can't reach. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of interior brushes, showing you the best options to keep your car's interior looking fresh and clean. Number 5. Chemical Guys ACC_S95 Leather Cleaning Brush. This brush is perfect for cleaning leather seats and upholstery. It is designed to be gentle, so it won't cause any damage to the material. It's an effective way to keep your leather looking its best. The brush can be used on a variety of materials, including leather, fabric, and canvas. It's great for cleaning seats, upholstery, bags, shoes, boots, and furniture. This makes it a versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. The horsehair bristles penetrate deep into leather pores. This allows it to provide a thorough clean. It helps remove dirt and grime that other brushes might miss. Made with genuine horsehair, this brush is built to last. It's designed for consistent performance over time. You can rely on it for all your cleaning tasks. The brush features an abrasion-resistant body. This design maximizes leverage and scrubbing power. It helps you get the job done efficiently. What we like. This brush is designed for gentle yet effective cleaning. It's perfect for leather seats and upholstery, ensuring no damage. If you have leather interiors, this brush is a must-have. It will help you maintain the luxurious look and feel of your car's interior. What people say. Works perfectly for car seats and remove the dirt and prepares the seat for leather conditioner without scratching the leather. Good, well-made brush for cleaning leather. The bristles get down into everything and the large size really helps move things along faster. After scrubbing my seats and the creases in them, my car looks almost like new. There was no fallout of hair and the bristles aren't bent at all. They are soft enough not to harm the leather, but they get the job done. This is a great quality brush. The bristles are the perfect texture to work with my leather seats and it is easy to hold and use. Number 4. Chemical Guys ACC600 Interior Detailing Brush Set. These brushes are built to last. The high-quality plastic construction makes them easy to use and perfect for getting into those tight spaces. With 3 different sizes, you'll be able to clean any area, no matter how small. It ensures you can tackle any area, no matter how small or confined. The bristles are made with high-quality materials. They're strong enough to remove dirt but soft enough to protect delicate surfaces. The high-quality plastic construction ensures these brushes are easy to use, long-lasting, and perfect for reaching deep into small, tight spaces. Includes 3 brushes of various sizes to ensure you can tackle any area, no matter how small or confined. What we like. This set offers multiple brush sizes to tackle any area. The high-quality bristles are strong enough to remove grime but gentle enough to avoid scratches. If you are looking for a comprehensive detailing solution for your car's interior, this set provides the versatility and effectiveness you need to reach every nook and cranny. What people say. This brush is well made and gets into corners and crevices to dust and clean them. I use it in the house and in my car. It is handy, lightweight, and useful. The variety of brushes is perfect for tackling different areas, from tight crevices in the dashboard to larger surfaces like door panels. They're soft enough to avoid scratching delicate areas but sturdy enough to handle dirt and grime effectively. Sturdy handle, sturdy bristles, gets in nooks and crannies you didn't think you could clean. You might not need all 3 brushes, but even one of these is worth the price. Number 3. Detailing Brush Set, 5 sizes for automotive detailing. This detailing brush set comes with 5 different sizes. You can choose the one that suits your needs. It's perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places. These brushes have no metal parts, so there's no risk of scratching your wheels. The long bristles are designed to reach deep into lug nuts and other tight spaces, making it the safest choice for your vehicle. This set is great for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. Use it on wheels, tires, rims, engine bays, and vents. It's a versatile tool for all your detailing needs. This brush is perfect for both wet and dry use. It easily removes dust, crumbs, and other small items. It will make your car fully tidy and clean from the inside out. We believe you will get a good detailing brush set. It's easy and convenient to operate. It is definitely worth getting started with. What we like. This detailing brush set comes in various sizes, perfect for reaching tight spaces. The scratch-free design ensures your car's surfaces are protected. If you like a thorough clean, this set is ideal for removing dust and debris from wheels, vents, and crevices, making your car fully tidy. What people say. With 5 different sizes, each brush is perfectly suited for a variety of tasks, from cleaning small crevices to detailing larger areas. What really sets these brushes apart is the thoughtfulness in their design. The absence of metal parts means you can say goodbye to worrying about accidental scratches on your beloved wheels or paintwork. Number 2. Viking Car Detailing Brush Set, 3-pack, red. This car detailing brush set from Viking includes 3 different brush heads. They are designed to help you achieve professional detailing results at home. The set includes a large, medium, and small brush head. This allows you to clean various areas of your car's exterior effectively. The brushes feature a premium blend of natural and synthetic bristles. This ensures a gentle cleaning action on all exterior surfaces. Use these brushes for cleaning wheels, lug nuts, the engine, and other exterior parts. It's a versatile addition to your car cleaning kit. The durable wooden handle provides added reach and control. It makes cleaning your car easier and more comfortable. Pair this brush set with your favorite car cleaner. It provides a thorough cleaning while being gentle on your car's surfaces. What we like. This set is designed for exterior cleaning with super soft bristles. The ergonomic wooden handle gives you added reach and control. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective way to clean your car's exterior, this brush set will help you achieve professional detailing results at home. What people say. These are great detailing brushes. Won't scratch or mar, works great for cleaning and shining. Good sturdy brushes, the bristles are just stiff enough to knock out dirt and grime, and soft enough to make it feel like you aren't hurting anything with the brush. The brushes are heavy duty and the bristles stay attached when in use. The 3 different sizes are super handy for large and small spaces. Number 1. AntBooBoo 3-pack Detailing Brush Set. This detailing brush set is perfect for cleaning sensitive areas. The ultra-soft brushes are designed to gently clean dashboards, screens, and leather seats. It ensures a scratch-free cleaning experience. The set includes brushes for both interior and exterior detailing. The blue bristle brush is ideal for removing stubborn dirt from wheels, tires, and even the engine bay. It's designed to reach tight spaces. Looking for a great gift? This detailing kit is perfect for cars, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. It's also suitable for cleaning furniture with piano lacquer. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. If you have pets, this brush set is a must-have. It uses electrostatic adsorption to remove pet hair and dust. It's gentle on surfaces and helps keep your car clean. The set includes brushes of different sizes, 6.37 foot, 9.64, and 10.03. This variety ensures you have the right tool for every cleaning task. They are easy to handle and provide excellent reach. AntBooBoo has been in the automotive industry for 12 years, working with premium suppliers. They value product quality and customer satisfaction. Contact them with any questions, they will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This detailing brush set features ultra-soft bristles for cleaning delicate surfaces. The comfortable grip ensures ease of use. If you like to keep your car's interior pristine, this set is perfect for cleaning dashboards, screens, and vents without causing any scratches. What people say. The perfect detailing tools around gentle areas that are prone to scratches. Comparable to the softness of a makeup brush but has plenty of abrasive power to clean vents, hard to reach areas and more. Brush sizes are great for all detailing. 2x soft bristle brushes for delicate internal areas and 1x harder brush for external or internal that requires a stiffer brush. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.